be back in a minute. Meanwhile, darling, you're on.
We've borrowed dishes from all over the neighborhood to show you this. These are the dishes a family of 4 washes in 1 week. Shows you why we're so happy we have our new GE dishwasher. The dishwasher that pre-rinses.
Now, all we do is this. Brush off loose food waste. There's no hand rinsing needed. And pop it in with the glassware, pots, pans, and silver. That's all.
The GE pre-rinses, washes, rinses, fan dries your dishes in heated air and shuts itself off. No washing for me, no drying for Bill.
Another reason we're glad we own this GE is health.
Yes, now that colds are so common, it's nice not to have to wash dishes by hand and run the risk of spreading germs.
The dishes washed in a GE are washed in water much hotter than your hands can stand. They come out so clean. No breeding place for germs.
You should have one, and you can. At today's credit terms, you only have to pay about $3.82 a week. See your GE dealer tomorrow.